Hello students, good morning to all of you. In today's video, I will discuss about exercise 4.5 plus 2 NCERT. The name of the chapter is Determinants. We have already discussed about the basics of exercise 4.5 and up to exercise 4.4. Find adjoint of the following matrix. We have to find adjoint of this matrix. In the basics of exercise 4.5, that is in the previous video, I will discuss about the formula of adjoint also. For the calculation of adjoint, first of all we have to find the cofactors and then cofactor matrix, then transpose of that particular cofactor matrix. Let us start with the problem. Now the question is, matrix is given to you 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 elements are there. What about C11 minus 1 raised to power 2 into 4, this element, because we have to delete first row and first column and the remaining element have to study. And what about C12? C12 is basically the question is this one. It means we have to delete this row and this column. The element is 3. And similarly 2, 1, you have to check this element. And for 2, 1 is there. What about minus 1 raised to power this? It means 1 plus 1, 2. Then minus 1 raised to power 3. Then minus 1 raised to power 3, 1 plus 2. Then 2 plus 2 minus 1 raised to power 4. It means clearly the answer is 4 minus 2 minus 3 and 1. Now write the cofactor matrix. Then get the transpose of this cofactor matrix. You will get adjoint of this matrix. Now in question number 2, 3 into 3 matrix is there. What about C11? C11 is this element. It means you have to eliminate this row and this column. In the first row and first column, the elements are 3, 5, 0, 1. It's 3 minus 0, outside plus 1 is there. It means the answer is 3. Similarly, for 1, 2, minus 1 raised to power 3, 2, 5, minus 2, 1. By eliminating first row and second column, you can find this value. It's 2 plus 10, 12. Minus 1 is outside, it's minus 12. What about C13? Let us check. 1, 3. This one, it means you have to write 2, 3 minus 2, 0. First row and third column. Means first row and third column. It means you have to write 2, 3 and minus 2, 0. Let us check. 2, 3 minus 2, 0. It's 0 plus 6. Outside plus 1 is there. Similarly, you can find C21, C22, C23, C31, C32 and C33. After the calculation of these cofactors, write the cofactor matrix. It's 3 minus 12 and 6, 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1 and 5. Then write the transpose of this cofactor matrix. You can find easily the adjoint of A. Now in question number 3, you have to calculate adjoint of A. Then multiply that adjoint of A into the matrix itself. It will be equal to determinant of A into I, that is identity matrix. Now check A, 2, 3 minus 4 minus 6 is given. Minus 12 plus 12, the answer is 0. It means the determinant of A is equal to 0. Now calculate the cofactors. Minus 1 raised to power 2 minus 6, first one. then eliminating first row and second column, this one, it means minus 4 is there. Similarly 2 1, eliminating this, 3 is there, and 2 2, eliminating second row and second column, only 2 is there. Then cofactor matrix, then transpose of the cofactor matrix, row is converted into column and second row is converted into second column. Then multiply A with the adjoint of A, you will get clearly the answer as 0. This value is equivalent to this value, determinant of A into I. Similarly, you can multiply adjoint of A into A, it's almost similar. Again the answer is 0. It means A into adjoint of A, and adjoint of A into A is equal to A mod into I. What about question number 4? Again the values are given to you. 3 into 3 matrix and C11. What about C11? Eliminating first row and first column. 0 0 minus 2 and 3. One cross multiply, you will get only 0. Similarly for 1 2, by eliminating first row and second column, you can find these values. It's 9 plus 2, 11. Minus 1 is outside. Why minus 1? Because minus 1 is to power 3. 1 plus 2 is to power 3. Means minus 11 is there. What about C13? By eliminating first row and third column, you can find 3 0 and 1 0. It's 0 minus 0 and outside plus 1 is there. Similarly 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, you can find these cofactor values. And after calculation of cofactors, you can write a cofactor matrix. Then take transpose of this cofactor matrix. After taking the transpose, you can write the adjoint of A. Then multiply A with adjoint of A. After multiplication, you obtain 11 0 0 0 11 0 and 0 0 11. By taking 11 common, this one, A mod is equal to 11. By taking 11 common, you can clearly write it equal to A determinant into I. On question number 5, you have to find inverse of the matrix. What is the formula for inverse? It's 1 over A modulus into adjoint of A. It means you have to calculate two values now. One is determinant of A and second is adjoint of A. The value is given to you, 2 4 minus 2 3. First of all, calculate determinant of A. It's 6 plus 8, it's 14. Then calculate all the cofactors. Then design the cofactor matrix. After designing cofactor matrix, take the transpose of this matrix and you obtain adjoint of A. Now insert the value, 1 over A modulus 1 over 14 into adjoint of A. That's the answer. Similarly in question number 6, minus 2 plus 15, it's 13. Then calculate all the cofactors. Then design the cofactor matrix. Then take the transpose of this cofactor matrix. It's adjoint of A. Then 1 over A modulus into adjoint of A. Similar is the case with the 3 into 3 matrix. 1 into 10 minus 0, minus 2 into 0 minus 0, plus 3 into 0 minus 0, answer is 10. Now calculate cofactors of all the items. After the calculation of cofactors, you can design cofactor matrix. Then take a transpose of this cofactor matrix and insert in the formula A inverse is equal to 1 over A mod into adjoint of A. Insert these values and you will obtain the answer. Similar is the case in question number 8. I think all this question is similar. You have to calculate determinant, then all the cofactors, then cofactor matrix, and then take the transpose of cofactor matrix, its adjoint of A, then insert the value in the formulae. You obtain the answer. Question number 9 is again the similar one. 2 1 3 4 minus 1 0 minus 7 2 1 2 into minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into 4 minus 0 plus 3 into 8 minus 7. Answer is minus 3. You can simply calculate. You already know about how to calculate determinant. Then calculate the value of cofactors. For 2, it's minus 1 minus 0. Similarly, for 1, it's 4 minus 0. For 3, it's 8 minus 7. Similarly, you can calculate other values. Just eliminate these values, second row and first column, and write all the values, other values. You can calculate cofactors, then cofactor matrix, and then after designing the cofactor matrix, write the adjoint. What is the meaning of adjoint? It's a transpose of a cofactor matrix. Write the transpose, then insert the value in the formula. Question number 10 is again the similar one. 1 into 8 minus 6 plus 1 into 0 minus 9, 0 plus 9 plus 2 into 0 minus 6. Determinant of A is minus 1. Then calculate cofactors. After the calculation of cofactors, you can write cofactor matrix. Then write adjoint of A, that is transpose of cofactor matrix. Then write the inverse, 1 over A mod into adjoint of A, it's only minus 1. You can multiply minus 1 inside and you can change the sign, you will obtain the answer. In all the questions, we basically target or to calculate cofactor and then modulus and then adjoint, and by writing the formula of A inverse 1 over A mod into adjoint of A, we insert the values. Thank you. In the next video, I will discuss about question number 11 onwards of this exercise.